Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your Wix website to Google Analytics. For this, first open your Wix website. Now, what you have to do from your dashboard, go to Home, click here the drop the arrow icon, or from here, select Settings. Now from here select marketing integration. Now here you will see Google Analytics is now Google Tech, so we will select Google Tech and now select connect. Now so what you have to do, set up a Google Tech ID, then add Google Tech ID, then so follow this instruction to set up Google Tech ID. Select it. So here you note how you can get Google ID. So I'll show you later. Now what you have to do, add Google Tech ID, then additional if you was a text, add additional tech destinations and activate advanced consent mode. So how you can Google Tech ID, that's I'm showing you how you can get it. To get this, go to Google Analytics and then select start measuring. Now select your account name. I'm selecting one. So select Google products services there, then click on next. Now give a property name. Now here give a property name. Now select your currency, your time zone, then select next. Now select your industrial category, then business size, then select next again. Now select choose your business objective, then select create. Now here you have to understand their terms and conditions, then agree with it, and then put a tick mark it here, and then accept their terms and condition and select I accept. Now here you will see you have to choose a platform: web, Android app, and iOS. We will select web because we have the website. So enter your website URL and stream name. After giving this, select create and continue. Now what you will see here, you will see this one, and now here if you select the arrow icon, install with Wix, recommended sign in and install a Google Tech Wix, or you can install it manually. Just copy it from here and then paste to the Wix, and that's how you can connect your Wix website to Google Analytics.